So there's 5 types of traffic networks, right? And traffic is just an audience or eyeballs that go to your site, and your audience is your potential clients, right? In the future. So what you want is traffic going to your website. And how you can do this, there's 5 different types that are either paid or they're free. Let's talk about the paid networks first. Now let's look at native ad. What is native ad networks? Native ad networks are similar to display ads. Remember to put the top or the best, but we want to look at the top so that we can already have our research done by other people and just check out what they have to offer. All right, look at this. All right, so here you go. These were just explaining what native ad networks are. So this top portion of this site was just explaining what native ad networks are. But here, let's get to the chase. These are the companies that you can work with for native ad networks. So what native ad networks are, instead of promoting a banner instead of promoting banners on the side or on the bottom of your site of a site that you want to work with, these companies, the native ad network companies, what they're doing is promoting a blog post that you wrote, or a very well-built sales page. So Outbrain is one of the, Outbrain and Taboola are one of the most popular ones. So let's check out Taboola. So you see, they have these partnerships with these news outlets, and what they do is your ad looks like one of these articles, like right here. Your ad looks like one of these articles, and when people see what your article is about, they're gonna click into it and they're gonna be brought to your link, and it's gonna be say ad on the side. All right, so since the Weather Channel is part of their exclusive partnership, let's go to the Weather Channel to see how their actual ads are like. Let's see. Oh, right here. You see? By Taboola sponsored links. So all of this could be one of your articles, right? All of this is by Taboola. So these are sponsored links by Taboola. And whenever someone clicks on it, they get an audience going to their site. So let's click on NerdWallet. So NerdWallet is one of the popular ones as well. You see, now this goes to an affiliate link. These are all affiliate links that for credit cards. So if you sign up here, they're gonna get a fee. And as you see, you go to their link, you go to their website, and if you do sign up for whatever is on this website, they're gonna get an affiliate link for each thing you buy or sign up for. So this is a credit card. Let's look at a product. So this is an actual product here. All right, right here, you see, Shop AirSense 10. This is, look at that. That's a high ticket product right here. This is the actual product sales page, and these are upsells that you can check out. So now let's talk about, now since we're here, let's talk about the detailed, in-depth, well-built sales page. All these features, all these product features are here. There's a video that helps sell this product. Specifications, tips on how to use it. There's no reviews, so I wouldn't really want to buy this if I need it, because I frankly want products that have been bought before and used before with testimonials. So this one does not have any testimonials. So this is what you can do to use native ad networks if you have a physical product to sell. All right, so be sure to check out the next episode where I continue talking about traffic. And if you want to learn how to start your own affiliate marketing business, click on the link down below in the description, and you will get to learn what affiliate marketing is and how it can benefit you in the long run, in the future. Because ultimately, you're going to create your own passive income when you follow these methods. Make sure you watch the next episode. So with that, I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.